So welcome students. So in this question you are asked to find 1 by 9 plus 1 by 18 plus 1 by 30 plus 1 by 45 plus 1 by 63 so on up to infinity. You are asked to find the sum of this infinite sequence. So to analyze the sum of this infinite sequence, let us first analyze the nth term of the sequence. So all the terms has 1 by something and the numbers that you have in the denominators are 9, 18, 30, 45, 63. So the difference between these two is 9, the difference between these two is 12, the difference between these two is 15, the difference between these two numbers is 18. So as you can see, the difference between the numbers are in AP 9, 12, 15, 18 so on with a common difference of 3. So now to find the nth term of this sequence, the process that we follow is, let Sn is equal to 9 plus 18 plus 30 plus 45 plus 63 plus so on up to Tn, and Sn is also equal to 9 plus 18 plus 30 plus 45 plus 63 plus so on up to Tn. So now let us subtract one from the other, minus. So Sn minus Sn is equal to 0, that is equal to, so I won't subtract it in a straight line, I'll subtract it like this. So 9 will be remaining, 9 plus 18 minus 9 is 9, plus 30 minus 18 is 12, plus 45 minus 30 is 15, plus 63 minus 45 is 18, plus so on. You have n minus 1 terms because you have a term below every term of this sequence except under 9, and finally you have minus Tn. So Tn minus 1 comes in this sequence, and finally you have Tn which is left out. So Tn is equal to 9 plus, can you see that this is an AP? So what is the sum of n terms of an AP? N minus 1 by 2. So there are n minus 1 terms, number of terms by 2 into 2a. 2a is 18 plus n minus 1, number of terms minus 1. There are n minus 1 terms, so n minus 2 into common difference is 3. That is equal to 9 plus n minus 1 by 2 times 18 plus 3n minus 6. So 18 minus 6 is 12 plus 3n. 12 plus 3n. So this is the value of Tn. So before going further, let us just check whether this is working or not. So for n is equal to 1, you have 9. For n is equal to 2, you have 9 plus 1 by 2 times 12 plus 3 is 15. So for n is equal to 2, you have 9 plus 2 minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2 times 12 plus 6. So 12 plus 6 is 18 by 2 is 9. So you have 9 plus 9 which is equal to 18. So there is no problem about it. Mostly this is right. So Tn is equal to this. So that is equal to, so let us take the LCM, 18 plus n minus 1 into 3n plus 12 by 2. That is equal to, so if you expand this, you have 3n square. 3n square minus 3n plus 12n is plus 9n minus 12 plus 18 is plus 6 by 2. So 3n square plus 9n plus 6 by 2, that is equal to, so if you try to factorize this, if you try to factorize 3n square plus 9n plus 6, so 3n, so this can be written as 3n plus 6n, 3n plus 6n. So you have n plus 1 times 3n plus 6. So you have n plus 1 times 3n plus 6 by 2, that is equal to 3 times n plus 1 into n plus 2 by 2. So this is the value of the denominator of these terms. So now the Tn of this sequence will become 1 by this, that is 2/3 of n plus 1 times n plus 2. So that is the nth term of this sequence. 2 by 3 times n plus 1 into n plus 2. So now once you have the nth term, you can summate this term, because I can obviously write Tn as 2 by 3 times n plus 1 minus n plus 2. So 1, 1. So 1 by n plus 1 into n plus 2 is 1 by n plus 1 minus 1 by n plus 2. So this is a very standard splitting in terms of partial fractions. So Tn is expressed as 1 by n plus 1 minus 1 by n plus 2. So now what is Sn? Sn is nothing but the sum of all the terms. So now T1 is nothing but 2/3 is common in everything. So 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. So next T2 will become 2 by 3 times 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4. So T3 will become 2/3 of 1 by 4 minus 1 by 5, so on up to T infinity. So if you see, minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5, so on. So all the terms will be cancelled. So as t tends to infinity, you have 2/3 of 1 by infinity minus 1 by infinity. So this term will get cancelled. The term which is left out is 0. 1 by infinity is 0. Hence only one term will be left out. So Sn is equal to this 2 and this 2 gets cancelled. So you get 1 by 3 as the answer. So Sn is equal to 1 by 3. So that's the answer to this question. Thank you.